Hello everyone, welcome to Electrogen, PCB design now with the how to create library designing Altium design software. Um, First one is uh, how to create two libraries and datasheet referring print out one, two, three, four, five, six, and pin out connection and design IC packages and put pin equivalent put pin place the library. Uh, okay, first one is project creation. Library project creation. Firstly, file new libraries. Integrated library. Design integrated library. Create. Okay. The first one is I click on schematic library and PCB library. First one is schematic library. Open to component and this one. First one is this one. First one is designing IC. 3-pin IC SMD type. One pin, first pin is no connector, second pin is VDD, third pin is VSS, fourth pin is no connectors, 5 no connector, 6 pin is output. Firstly, package of selector and schematic design IC. Firstly, go back Altium software and tools of the spaces tools symbol is okay. This part is easy pin out connection 1 1 2 3 1 2 6 1 2 2 2 pin numbers. Okay, pin numbers for maximum pin number of your choice and this this 1 to 4 this will be to maximum this part 1 1 2 3 4 6 pin IC to design 6 pin okay 6 pin to input okay. For design go back datasheet it's table of the pin connection list of down first pin and copy this one table right click copy second is table is paste is special step go back text format next step is copy this part pin connection this part copy okay let's go back to Altium software first connector this first pin paste okay first pin paste is to the packages is dual inline quad side commode XX connector single line manual. This is packages is your choices to designing your function. Okay, let's start to my choice is dual inline to select it. First one is paste. Paste. Second part is smart paste. Okay. Smart paste is this part. 1 to 6 pin connection to. So tab option is tab to semicolon, comma, and space. The space bar is the pin connection is this designator. Second part is display name. Sorry, selected the display name. Okay, display name is paste. Okay, display name is no connected pin. First pin is no connected, second pin is VDD, third pin is VSS, 4 and it's no connected 5 pins, and 6 pin is out. Okay. So this table is to similar and equivalent to this table and Altium design. So you are designing pin out. Okay, let's go next step to place symbol, place new symbol, place new parts, place new part, place symbol, place symbol, place new parts, place symbol. Okay, place new part. Okay, this part is okay. Second step is add the footprint and library completed footprint and schematic symbol to compiling the schematic. Okay, next step is add the footprint. Add footprint is to browse, not find to library scheme, to library path choices to this path equivalent to IC type. Okay, add to okay, add this part adding at the to add to must to again to add front bit browse to web and okay, and this part is equal. Okay, this part is okay. This part we know part is okay. Okay, is compiling to project name rename. This number IC number HY series HY 22 HY 23 series BB 23 this number. Okay, this paste. Yep. Okay, this number. Okay, to compile. Okay, HY this component place. Okay, this one available and blueprint. Okay. Thank you for watching this my video. To next video and to your choices video, and subscribe my channel and more videos and notification to all bell icon click. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.